Are you tired of paying hundreds of dollars to influencers and video editors just to get a simple product video? What if you could click a button, generate a hyper-realistic AI influencer, and launch an online store all at the same time? Welcome back to App Verdict. Today, we are looking at StoreFluence AI. Here's my quick verdict. If you want to sell products online, but you have no tech skills and a $0 budget for ads and influencers, this tool is a massive shortcut. It does exactly what it promises on the front end. But, and this is a big but, there are a lot of upsells in the funnel. I will walk you through exactly which ones you need and which ones to skip. Plus, I have put together a custom bonus package to help you get even more buyer traffic. Let us dive in. So what exactly is StoreFluence AI? It's a cloud-based software that turns static product images into high-quality video ads featuring lifelike AI models. You don't need to hire anyone. You don't need video editing skills. It even comes with a built-in e-commerce store setup. This is perfect for dropshippers, affiliate marketers, and local business owners who need to go viral on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts without showing their own face. Let's look inside the dashboard. As you can see on the screen right now, the layout is very simple. First, you choose your AI influencer model. You can pick between different styles and looks. Next, you upload your product image or enter a text prompt. The AI automatically generates a script and turns that image into a video with the AI model talking and holding your product. Then you can export it directly to your social media platforms. Finally, if you don't have a store yet, the software includes pre-designed store templates. You just plug in your products and your payment processor, and you're ready to sell.
Warning: if you don't pay attention for the next 2 to 3 minutes, you might miss an opportunity that could completely change your income. Imagine this: just a few minutes from now, you have access to a powerful AI system that can create AI video influencers for you, promote your products automatically, and build your own fully functional online store, all in just a few clicks. No editing skills, no coding, no experience needed. And here's the crazy part: you don't just use this for yourself. You can sell these services to others and charge $100, $500, even $1,000 plus per project. Or use it for your own store and keep 100% of the profits. Let's be real. People today are glued to Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok, which means content equals attention, attention equals traffic, traffic equals sales. And what works best? Videos, influencers, short-form content. But the problem is, creating this kind of content is expensive, time-consuming, complicated. Until now, introducing StoreFluence AI, the world's first AI app that combines AI video influencers and a fully automated online store into one powerful system. With StoreFluence AI, you can create AI influencers, reels, shorts, ads in seconds. Launch your own online store in any niche instantly. Turn any idea, product, or keyword into viral content. Generate high-converting product videos automatically. Drive traffic from Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. Auto-create product pages that are built to sell. Use AI avatars, voiceovers, and multiple languages. Sell services to clients with commercial license included. And the best part? Everything works with simple prompts. No tech skills needed. Here's how simple it is. Step 1. Enter your idea or product. Step 2. AI creates influencers, videos, and your store. Step 3. Publish and profit. That's it. Businesses, creators, influencers, e-com store owners. Everyone needs content that grabs attention and drives sales. Now you can be the one providing it, or use it to scale your own business. Let me ask you this: is there anything else that lets you create AI influencers, viral videos, full online store, all in under 60 seconds? No, there isn't. Right now, you're getting early access to StoreFluence AI at a special one-time launch price. But this won't last. The price will increase, or it will turn into a monthly subscription. So don't wait. Click the button below right now and secure your access. You're also protected by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's absolutely no risk. This is your chance to build AI video influencers, get your own online store, and a real income stream, all powered by AI. Click below and get started now. We'll see you inside.
Now, let's talk about the pricing and the funnel. I want to be completely honest with you. This launch has a massive 7-step upsell funnel. The front-end price is a one-time fee of $14.95. Be sure to use the coupon code STORE2 at checkout to get that price. After you buy the front end, you'll see OTO 1 through OTO 7. Some of these cost up to $197. Do you need all of them? Absolutely not. The front end tool works perfectly on its own. However, I highly recommend picking up the first upsell if you want faster video rendering times and extra store templates. You can safely skip the higher-priced agency upgrades unless you plan on building a massive video marketing business right away. If you decide to pick up StoreFluence AI today, do not buy it without getting my exclusive App Verdict bonus stack. I have handpicked 10 premium bonuses that fix the biggest problem with any new store: getting traffic. If you click the link in the description and buy through me, you'll get all of these for free. Bonus 1. WP Email Timer Plus. This adds countdown timers to your store and emails to force visitors to buy before time runs out. Bonus 2. Chatbot for WooCommerce, an automated bot that answers customer questions on your store 24/7 so you never miss a sale. Bonus 3. Gram Suite, a software that automates your Instagram liking and following to drive free traffic to your new AI videos. Bonus 4. Soci Ultima. This tool pushes your videos to multiple social networks automatically for maximum reach. Bonus 5. Vid Builder, a page builder that turns your StoreFluence AI videos into fast-loading video sales pages. Bonus 6. WP Video Ace plugin, an advanced video player that keeps people engaged on your site longer. Bonus 7. 100 ready-made niche blogs, instant content to help you rank on Google and get free search traffic. Bonus 8. WP Social Traffic Reseller License. You get full rights to resell this powerful traffic tool and keep all the money. Bonus 9. Instagram Marketing Guide, a step-by-step blueprint on how to turn your new AI influencer videos into cash on Instagram. Bonus 10. 500-plus viral product winning list, a master list of proven products you can sell right now with your new AI store. StoreFluence AI is a game changer if you want to crush video marketing without the high costs, but you need to act fast. The one-time pricing and the free commercial license are only available during this short launch window. Once the timer hits 0, it moves to a monthly subscription. Plus, my exclusive traffic bonuses are strictly limited. Click the link in the description right now to lock in your discount with code STORE2 and claim your bonuses before they're gone. Thank you for watching this App Verdict review. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more no-nonsense marketing software reviews. After you purchase through my link, your bonuses will be waiting for you inside your Warrior Plus dashboard under the Access Your Purchase button. See you in the next one.